Your workflow shouldn't look like this. Slow drives, tangled cables, storage full. Again, meet StorageKey Gen 2, the Thunderbolt 5 leap forward. This is StorageKey Gen 2, built for pure speed and stability. Ribbed cooling on the outside, active cooling on the inside. Always cool, always fast. This is real Thunderbolt 5 speed, 80 Gbps bandwidth, reads over 6,000 Mbps, writes beyond 5,000 Mbps. Performance you can measure and feel. Full speed transfer, zero bottlenecks, and under pressure. It stays cool. A smart temperature-controlled fan keeps your SSD stable. Plug it in and push the limits. From high-performance gaming on the Mac M4 Pro to editing 8K timelines with zero drop frames. Steam Deck, instant load times. Portable gaming, truly unlocked. Strong, sleek. A unibody design built for creators on the move. Tool-free, effortless. Swap drives in seconds. No screws, no stress. StorageKey Gen 2. Faster, cooler, smarter, stronger. The Thunderbolt 5 SSD enclosure that redefines portable pro storage. Don't wait, create,